Something about the way you look tonight. Hi guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel, the music and makeup channel, brought to you by AJ Messidor. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I get the natural wavy look with a few of these clips that I am going to put into my hair. I do have somewhere to go tonight, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I get this beautiful look. So let's just go ahead and get into this video because we're talking too much and this is not a makeup tutorial, it's a hair tutorial, so let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair because, not because it's wet, but just to get it to move more and be more of what I want it to be, and do what I want it to do. My hair is permed. It is not natural. I'm not a part of the natural hair crew. I'm going to go ahead and use this Revlon blow dryer. I got this at Walmart. I get like a lot of things at Walmart or CVS or wherever. You can get it anywhere. And I just blow it out so that it's easier to manipulate. Plus, I wet it in the shower, and you probably can't even hear me, but I did wet it in the shower. So, blow dry, blow dry, blow dry. I blow dried it. It's a little softer, a little more fluffy. I can either do one of two things. I can curl my hair first and put the clips, or I could just put the clips and then curl it all together. I don't know. I think I might just do it as I go. Usually, to put my hair up, I will use a bobby pin instead of a scrunchie because that will rip your hair when you're trying to take it out of your head. Now I'm gonna kind of like part down the middle. Actually, let me go lower. Part a little lower. Like that. You can see it. I don't know. I can't see it. And then I'm gonna top bun the top. Put that clip in there to hold the rest of the hair. And then I should get some grease because my feels a little dry. I feel like I got some new growth. I'm gonna go ahead and use this growth oil by BB just for my scalp because it feels a little dry. And then whatever's left over I put throughout the rest of the hair. And I take a section and I loosely curl it. I'm not even gonna because then I gotta curl the weave and it's a whole thing. I'm gonna take this ConAir one that I got from Walgreens, wand or whatever, and just wrap my hair around it really quick. Leave it for like a little bit, like a few seconds, and then boom. They need to invent a steam curler. Someone needs to invent a steam curler. I don't know if you can see that, but I wrap that around. And now I'm gonna take one of those clips and clip it to the back of my head. As you can see, it is a clip. It has two clips. And I just try to comb through it or brush through it, whichever is more convenient for me at the moment. And then I just clip it to the back. And I pre-curled these. And it was tighter. The curl was tighter, but it kind of went a little loose. And you want to stretch them, kind of, if you could see that. Let it grasp onto your hair. Let it grasp onto your hair if you didn't hear me. And then it's gonna blend in, boo-boo. These are never even. My parts are never even because I can't see the back of my head. As long as we've got a part going, that's the most important part. Huh. Ba-doom, boom, psh. I'm a fan of putting sew-ins in my hair. So usually my hair would just be sewed in. Hopefully I can get that done kind of soon, because although my hair is long, I don't want it to break off. I want it to stay long. And again, as I told you, I'm loosening them because I don't want the curl too tight. I just want it kind of like really loose. You just get whichever one fits in the place that you're trying to put it. Such a bitter pill. I check it once, then I check it twice. Oh! Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. What you gonna do with that dessert? Alright loves, thank you so much for watching. That was my hair tutorial on how I slay my hair. So I went ahead and curled the entire head, which took a while, as you guys all saw. I curled my hair in between, and then I'd saved time by putting the clips as I went. And I went ahead and just did this small mini top bun. I could have put a clip in there and made the top bun bigger, but my hair is already thick as it is, so it kind of really didn't matter. So that is my final look. Yeah, that's the final look. Not every piece needs to be curled, as I said a little earlier. You can go ahead and do like some pieces curled, some pieces straight, and it'll give it more of a thick dimension kind of look or whatever. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified of any of my uploads, all of my uploads, like every single one. Every single one. I love it. I hope you love it, and I hope that you're able to do this same hairstyle too, especially if you have the kind of hair like me. And I love you guys. Have a great day. Mwah.